Hey Keith, did you see Harry Tornado's Q&A on Instagram stories last night?
No, send me a link, I'll check it out.
Okay. I just sent it.
I realized pretty early on that people don't watch YouTube for perfection. Shh. They watch YouTube because they like your personality. So just be yourself. Just be who you are. I mean, look at these daggum eyebrows. Would you think somebody with these eyebrows could be successful on YouTube? No.
Yes. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Alright, Amber, thanks for the video. I got an idea. I gotta go. By the way, Jude's got poo-poo diapers. See you later.
I'm going down. Oh, and by the way, Jude's poop is really nasty.
Is Rogaine in this area?
Rogaine, yes.
Rogaine?
Chevy.
Okay. Alright, thank you so much. Rogaine, here it is. Alright. $52. Okay, yeah, we're going with what is the cheap one, which is still way too expensive.
Oh yeah. It's happening.
Keith, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Hey, Amber, check it out.
What did you do?
You tell me.
Did you not watch his whole response? He said just to be yourself.
This is totally me. This is the new and improved me. Man, that burns my eyes.